Hi guys, this is Guy998 and today I'm playing a game called Monster Truck Destruction. I'm definitely not the typical person to play this game and it looks really bad. For instance, the truck looks like it's floating. But I'm kind of bored, so I tried something new and I think it'll be interesting. I already went through all the trouble of picking my truck and my username and all that stuff, so you guys can just get right to the action. So I guess we'll start with a championship. Odyssey battery, that looks funny. A ladder, race. Loading. What the heck is it? This is horrible graphics, guys. Turn my volume up just a tad bit. Go. What is this nonsense? I know where I'm supposed to go. Maybe I'm supposed to go this way? It says I'm in first. I don't think that's really accurate. It's not letting me get to the finish line, so I have no... What am I doing? I have no idea how to play this game. What the heck? I'm supposed to do like a bunch of loops, but this track makes no sense. Oh, I'm on my side. What the heck? Oh, that seemed awfully easy. Okay, so weird start to this game, and apparently I'm still winning, but I don't think that's true. Oh my god, what am I doing? Yeah, DNF. I did not make it. Oh, I must have a big repair cost. Oh, not bad. For $25? Okay, so that didn't go so well. Can I do any of this stuff? What is it? Oh, upgrading engines and all that. Oh, I cannot afford new engine, guys. Oh my god. I guess we'll continue with our championship. Oh, freestyle. Yo, what the heck? Let's do this weird stuff. Jump! Oh, I'm off the track. This snowy area looks so stupid. Oh, wheelie. Oh, I hope I can do better in this since I did bad on the racing. I'm stuck. I'm gonna restart this event, guys. That was weird. I think I'm gonna go for the school buses. Ocean Man. That was sick. Oh. Destruction. Destroy everything in sight. Can I do a donut? Oh, donut. Got a minute and 2 seconds left to freestyle. Any other cameras? Like, interesting? That one cinematic one didn't look bad. Oh, on my side. I'm back in the normal view. And we are over. How did I place? 12th place, so not that good. I am doing last place right now. That's horrible. I can't buy it. Drag. Okay, let's look at the track. Okay, so this looks a little bit more simple. I'm still quite confused. I don't care that I went too early. Jump! I just screwed up my run. What did I do? No. Okay, so further we get into this game, I can definitely tell racing is not my strong suit, but I can do some pretty good saves. back up. Okay, I'm not going to get a DNF. I'm at least going to try to finish. I wish it would tell me where I had to go. Oh, this is where I did go, apparently. Oh, I actually finished. Okay, so the field beat me by a long shot, and somehow I'm in the semifinals. Tell me that's not crazy. It's crazy. Let's just click done, because I have no idea what I'm doing. More freestyle. So apparently you get good money for winning this, so I hope I can win this. Let's just gun it through the whole way. I'm just gonna keep gunning it, guys. I'm just gonna go full throttle, never let off. Oh, that was weird. Oh yeah, let's go. This would not be me typically going. I'm just gonna go balls out. Well, that looks fun to go straight up. Well, that was not that interesting. I'm gonna try this one. I wish these would work as like backflips or something, but I'm popping a good wheelie. Oh, donut. I'm just not this good at this game, guys. Oh, I made it up again. I guess I'm gonna have to stick to this lower stuff, because I don't seem to be good at the high stuff. Oh, that was bad. Maybe not. There was ramps this whole time. Oh no, I lost a wheel. I didn't know that was possible. Oh, I'm gonna try to pull a Max D wheelie. I mean, not wheel, cyclone. Yeah. I lost 2 wheels, guys. Dear God. I lost 3 wheels. Oh my God. Oh, achievement unlocked. Lose 3 wheels or more. I'm gonna go for 4 wheels at some point, but I don't think 164,000 is gonna cut it. Okay, so done. Oh, oops, I clicked it twice by accident. Sorry. Okay, so this has been part 1 of Monster Truck Destruction, MTD, whatever you want to call it, and I'll see you guys in part 2.